Hi goodies, welcome back to my channel. Whosoever is new to my channel, hi, my name is Sunandini, and in today's video I'll be talking about the sunscreen, because we all aware about this thing that while you're applying the sunscreen, it's give you a white cast, you feel like you are look like a ghost, and also it's give you a like greasy touch and a oily skin kind of a texture, which I also don't like. So I start looking for something which will not look heavy to my skin, because every sunscreen somewhere gives you a white cast at the end, okay? Because it's personally with me that I feel so much heaviness over my skin while I'm applying a sunscreen. So yes, that's the reason I'm searching for that particular product which leaves no white cast and feels so light to my skin. So I came across with one product which falls under my requirements, and that is like SunScoop Fluid Sunscreen. So they basically dedicated to the sunscreen. So they are non-comedogenic and it leaves no white cast. It's very difficult to find a product in the market which leaves no white cast. So this is the product, and yes, your search is also over now, because if I talk according to the pricing point of view, so it's very pocket friendly. I bought this in just rupees 495. So yes, I'm using this since like 2 to 3 weeks. So it's give a great results. It comes in a fluid texture, so it's give you a dewy finish and a matte finish. As you can see, I'm wearing it right now and it's give you a natural dewy finish. And yes, I love this product a lot. But after using this SunScoop Fluid Sunscreen, it's give me a different texture. I can see the differentiate between these and those sunscreen which I have used. So I bought this sunscreen from their official website, but you can also purchase this from Amazon and Nykaa. They are available on online shopping platform as well. Let's talk about their packaging. So if you will see, it's come in a drop bottle, and if I talk about the consistency, then you can see how runny it is. It's totally in a fluid texture.
This sunscreen has a water-based formula and it's a hybrid sunscreen. So we have to use sunscreen on a daily basis, whether you are inside the house or outside. Sunscreen side by side neutralize UV radiation for protection. It also blocks the absorption of harmful UV rays.
If you are a person like me, love to experiment with the different type of products, so definitely you must give a hand on this product if you are like looking for something which feels very light to your skin. So this is something you can opt for. Talk about the ingredients and their benefits. So it's mentioned over the packaging itself that it's infused with monoi oil and rosemary extract for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's infused with the vitamin E as it protects your skin against UV damage. Yes, it's protect you from pollution and it's re-friendly. So what else you needed if this product is providing you that much of benefits? So definitely, because so many sunscreen in the market give you a heaviness over your skin like you're wearing a makeup. So it's very difficult to find product which is light to your skin and like good for your skin. If you're able to see my skin, so I just applied sunscreen over my face, nothing else. So you can see it doesn't give me a like artificial look, it's give me my own skin tone color, and that's the thing I love about this product a lot. Yes, that's it about today's video. If you like this video and find this helpful, so please give a great thumbs up and also subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you want something like this, more content like this, so you can mention that over my comment section, and yes, I will ready to generate more content like this. If you love this video, please give a great thumbs up. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy. Tada, bye bye.